Flour, sugar, butter, eggs. Wow, Spiky. It looks like you're making a cake.
Yes, here it is. Do you want to taste it?
Spiky, this isn't a cake yet. This is just a mixture. You will still need to heat the mixture in an oven. Heat is essential for making food in a kitchen, just like plants need sunlight to make their food.
What? I didn't know that. How do they do that?
While your cake bakes, let me tell you a story about 4 friends who wanted to help all living things on Earth. The first friend, Photo, the light ray, traveled for millions of kilometers from the sun to reach Earth. The second friend, Carbo, the carbon dioxide molecule, was just floating around as a gas in Earth's atmosphere. The third friend, Aqua, the water molecule, had entered the soil after falling down from the sky as a raindrop. They had all been invited to the home of their fourth friend, Chloro, the chlorophyll. Chloro lived inside a structure known as a chloroplast. Chloroplasts are located in the cells of leaves. Aqua was absorbed by the roots of the tree that contained chloro. A tube called a xylem vessel carried Aqua to the leaf where Chloro was living. Carbo entered this same leaf through an opening on the underside of the leaf, known as stoma. Finally, Photo, the light ray, was absorbed by Chloro. So now you know the answer to your question. Sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll and starts a chemical reaction. In this reaction, carbon dioxide and water combine to form sugar and oxygen. This sugar is called glucose and provides energy to the entire tree.
Oh, so because of photo, plants receive energy and all living things get oxygen.
Exactly. What do you think this reaction is called?
Carbon dioxide and water are combined because of photo. So, is the reaction called photocombination?
Good guess. The actual name is photosynthesis. Photo is a Greek word that means light, and synthesis is another word for combination. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight to create glucose and oxygen from carbon dioxide and water.
How do we know if photosynthesis actually needs sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water?
Great question, Spiky. Our hypothesis is that photosynthesis requires all 4 substances. Let's conduct an experiment to find out if our hypothesis is correct. First, we'll buy 4 plants of the same type. We'll place the first plant in a dark room. We'll place the second plant in extremely dry conditions. The third plant will completely cover the leaves with petroleum jelly. This jelly will stop carbon dioxide from entering the leaves. The fourth plant we'll place in a garden. Let's see what happens after a few weeks.
3 of the plants have died. The first plant died because it was unable to absorb any sunlight for photosynthesis. The second plant also died because it had no water for photosynthesis. The third one could not absorb any of the carbon dioxide needed for photosynthesis. But the fourth plant is fine. Does this prove our hypothesis?
Yes, this experiment shows that sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water are all essential to photosynthesis. So our hypothesis is correct. Let's summarize what we've learned. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight to create glucose and oxygen from carbon dioxide and water. Photosynthesis takes place in chlorophyll, which is located in leaves inside green structures called chloroplasts. All living things depend on photosynthesis for food and oxygen.